92 speed charge for Miguel Camino. Lucky. Take the crocodile. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's going to win against Snot Rod? Got it. Miguel Camino is going to win against Snot Rod. What? I missed one. Got it. Miguel Camino wins. Nice try. I'm excited for the rematch. Don't get discouraged.